Hello everyone, I'm Harry and you're watching Game Night. Today I'm going to be doing a video that I wouldn't normally do on my channel. Now basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of the loud noise what comes from your PlayStation. Now I looked online to try and fix this. I asked Sony's Twitter. They didn't have any way of fixing it, but I managed to find a way. So anyway, I'm doing this video with my dad, so check out his channel in the description.
Okay, we're going to have a go today at cleaning the PlayStation 4. It's rather noisy, so we've already removed this panel, two little screws, and we've flipped it over, removed the stickers on these screws, undone the screws. We're now going to release the plastic cover. As you can see, it is rather fluffy and dusty, so that has got to be hoovered in a moment. The inside of the motor is very dusty, so we are now going to clean it with the hoover. Right, we've put this first panel back on so we don't get confused with our parts and screws, etc. Flipped it over. I've already unfastened the screws at the back. Took a little bit of persuading, but it's released now and it's come off, and look at the dust. Now that could be where your noise is coming from.
I can't help but laugh. Look at all that.
That is crippling it. So now what we're going to do, we get the hoover on that.
Plus, it's probably getting in there as well, isn't it?
Well, it's
Loud this time.
in our screwdriver torque set, and we can just get in there and release some of this dust off this fan because it is quite bad. As you can see, run the camera in, we've cleaned all out inside here. It was absolutely filthy. The fan was really caked up with dust, and as you can see, this is what I've scraped off of the blades, and plus we've hoovered a lot out. So now we're going to place this back in. Hopefully this will go back in here nice and easy. Right, and we come to the final conclusion. We've set the PlayStation back up, the PS4 back up on the system. We put the camera over near the machine. And what do you hear? Nothing. Fine. Job successful. Thank you for watching. Hope you like, share and subscribe.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, a comment, and if you're new, subscribe. And if this video did help you, just leave a comment. And if it didn't, leave a comment as well, and I'll be sure to try and help you with that. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Peace.